Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix you are following too quickly. Please try again in TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to follow someone, then it's showing here you are following too fast. So how can you fix this problem? Just simply what you have to do, close this page from here, and then let me tell you that you have to open settings, and then you have to tap on app management, and here you have to search for TikTok. Here it is, and from here you have to give all the permissions to TikTok. If you're not given, then you have to give, and from here you have to tap on storage and cache, clear storage, go back, and you have to force stop the app from here, and you have to uninstall your app, then reinstall it, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is like this there, then what you have to do is just simply open TikTok again, and then tap on profile, and then tap on three lines from here, and go to setting your privacy, scroll it down from here, and you have to tap on report a problem, and here you can see at the third number, following too fast. Here is the option, so just simply tap on this, and you can see here is your problem resolved. So you have to tap on no, and from here you have to tap on need more help, and let me tell you that you have to write something about your problem, so you have to explain. So I have to copy from my so you have to write this one, and I have given in the description as well. So let me tell you that you have to take screenshot of your problem first, and you have to tap on this and select your screenshot from here, and then tap on report, and your report will be posted to TikTok team, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.